Looking for a way to upgrade your camping meals? Rome's 1605 double pie iron offers a simple, versatile solution that lets you cook more, faster. With its generous 8-1/2 by 4-1/4 cooking head and 28 overall length, this double-sized cast iron tool lets you prepare 2 sandwiches, calzones, fish, or pasties simultaneously. Imagine cutting your cooking time in half while enjoying delicious, homemade meals around the campfire. I took this pie iron on a recent camping trip, and it quickly became my go-to cooking companion. Whether it was breakfast, lunch, or dinner, this cast iron handled it all. We started with cinnamon bread and apple pie using crescent roll dough, then moved on to pizza and calzones with pizza dough. Sausages, eggs, and veggies cooked perfectly too. The key? A good seasoning and a light coat of oil or butter to prevent sticking. It took a little practice to master the cook time since you can't peek inside, but once you get the rhythm, the results are consistently impressive. One thing to note is the initial paraffin wax coating on the iron, which can be tough to scrub off. The easiest fix was to heat it on the grill until the wax melted, then give it a good scrub. After that, seasoning the iron well made all the difference for a smooth, non-stick surface. If you're comfortable with cast iron cooking, this double pie iron is worth a look. It expands your outdoor cooking options, making meals fun, easy, and satisfying. Try it when you're ready to bring more flavor and efficiency to your camping kitchen.